Hello, it's Mother Ego here, aka Keroy King, aka also poet. I'm reading from Divine Soul Whispers, and this poem is called Never Going Back. Yes, oh, I remember when I wrote this. Um, yeah, when in life you come to that realization that you've made a decision whereby you can't retract. You've taken a path, and whether you like it or not, you're going. So, this poem reminds me of that moment in time when I knew that, okay, I'm choosing a path and I know I'm not going back. And it was the same across the landscape, like just the population in general. With the past few years and all those changes, many of us have made decisions where we know, we want life to come off a little different, not the same old thing, life that's energizing and exciting. So anyway, never going back. The tide has changed. There is no going back. The pathway destroyed, filled with faded memories of the past. The tide has changed. We watch and wonder, where is the future? How will it look like? Will it be a garden of roses? But again, roses have thorns. Will we be able to cope? I wonder. The tide has changed, for the good and the bad, the new and the old, for the adventurous and the dull. The tide has changed, riding the waves of uncertainty with glimpses of hope, mixtures of wonder with strength for the future, all wrapped up in the now moments. The tide has changed, and so have we. We have changed too. No wonder the tide had to change. And the road and those paths have been destroyed behind you. So don't try to recreate what we had before. We are going forward, creating something new with the new mentality we have, the new mindset we have, the new tools we have from all the lessons we've learned. As always, this is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.